How to fix Instagram music isn't available in your region. So if you're facing a problem with the Instagram music, then first open up your Instagram, and then if you go to the story, and if you try to upload something, and if you go to the music option, which is on the upper right, and if you search for a music, and if it says that that music or Instagram music isn't available in your region, then what that means is that that particular song or that particular music is not available in your region yet. So what you can do is you can simply search for another music instead of that, and then you can add that music to your Instagram. So now you can simply drag that right or left, and you can tap on done, which is on the upper right, and that's it. Now you can add that to your story. So it basically means that the particular song is not available in your region, so you can simply choose another song to add to your story or to add to your post. So that's it. That's how you fix. Or if your friends are being able to add that song, and if you are not being able to add that, then what you can do is you can open up your Play Store, go for Instagram, search for Instagram, and if you have an update option, then you might need to update the application, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go for settings, go for apps and notifications, and open up your Instagram, go for storage and cache, and go for clear cache. And now your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.